So a lot of my lawn is kind of looking like crap and a lot of grassy type weeds, if you can kind of see over here on the south side of my house. I just mowed it yesterday, but you know, there's a lot of grass type weeds and lime green colored stuff, but the backyard is surprisingly doing better than anything else in my yard. Now, not this side, mind you. I did seed a little bit here. There's still some grassy weeds, but this patch right here is my favorite part of the lawn. Now, this is still coming in a little bit here, but this grass is absolutely beautiful. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know, because I can't figure out if it's Turf Type Tall Fescue or Kentucky Bluegrass, but the previous owners of the house reseeded this area because they had dog kennels here and a fenced-in little area before we moved in. Now, it's got a few little weedy patches and stuff that's still coming in, but yeah, this is mowed at 3.5 inches, and you can just tell how thick this is coming in. It is just, I love it. I want my entire yard to look like this. This is what I'm working towards. You know, it's so thick here and tall, but I really can't identify what type of grass this is. I want to get more of it. So if anybody knows, please tell me. Now, we had a pool here last year, and I overseeded this section with Kentucky Bluegrass, straight Kentucky Bluegrass, Pennington seed. It's coming in, but it's very, very short yet. I'm sure once that takes off, it's going to be a lot better, but there is some grassy weeds in here I need to get rid of yet. Here's some more of that gorgeous, gorgeous grass that I like. It's just so dense. I want my entire lawn to look like this. This is where I killed off some quack grass last year. I haven't reseeded. I think there's still a few weeds I need to take care of. Same thing back over in this corner. Here's kind of a long shot here. It's coming in so good. Again, super thick. But really, it's just this like one little quadrant of the backyard that's really nice. The rest is patchy and different heights, different blade thicknesses. I mean, it's not bad, but it's full of weeds yet. Especially over here by the playset. I got this off-colored, really thick-bladed crap I'm trying to get rid of here. I think it's quack, but I'm going to try to kill it with quinchloric and tenacity and see if that takes care of it. So if anybody knows what that is, and if I can get rid of it, that would be great without going nuclear. But yeah, this is what I'm aspiring towards. Minus the patches that are having to be filled in. This little clump right here, I seeded this section. It's coming in good. This stuff is very thick blades, which leads me to believe this is Turf Type Tall Fescue, so you know, if anybody knows, please let me know. Or if I can find more of this stuff, I will buy it and do the entire yard with it. Because it's soft and I like it. So, more videos to come. Okay, part 2 of what I just shot. This is the other side of my lawn. The good grass is over there that I want. The less desirable stuff is on this side. Like I said, it's not horrible, but the grass blades are much thinner. You can see this is totally different texture. It's not nearly as thick. You can see straight down to the dirt in between there. If I dig up a little bit of this dead stuff here, it might just be some more thatch, even though I just dethatched. But anyway, you can see like the density and the texture is different. It's more patchy and lumpy looking, different growth heights and everything. So it's definitely less desirable grass, and especially when it's mixed in with all this thick, nasty stuff that needs to go away. I'm going to try to reseed all this. You can just see it's just not as thick. The grass blades are much thinner. I'm I'm not sure how well it's picking that up on camera, but you can definitely tell the difference. Compared to here, even the color is much darker. Right there, that is the good stuff. So let me know if you guys know what that is. Thanks.